Ready ka na ba magpaalam sa mga naipon mong belly fats nitong nakaraang holidays at maging fit and sexy ulit? Kung oo, sabay ka na dito sa ating flat belly workout natin for today. Part ito ng ating bagong taon, bagong ikaw workout program, and for the full workout schedule, i-check nyo na lang yung link dyan sa description box. Sa bawat moves natin, you have the option to follow the standard or modified version. So whether you're a beginner or advanced in fitness, for sure ma-enjoy mo to. Kaya wag na natin patagalin, let's do this! Ang first move natin ay split jumps or tap backs para sa mga hindi kayang tumalon. Pwedeng mabagal at pwede rin mabilis. Warm up pa lang to guys. Ready? Let's go! Okay, kalahati na guys. Keep it going. And rest. Susunod naman ay squats na basic or side to side if you want it with a twist. Basta make sure na bumaba hanggang almost parallel ang thighs sa floor and keep your chest up and abs tight. Let's do this! Inhale pababa, exhale paangat. Seconds na lang guys.
Oh, you miss my touching. Good to you. Show me something. Give me more than one thing.
Very good. Next up, reach up and then cross over toe reach with jump or without jump. Iangat ang isang arm to the ceiling habang ang isa ay pang-tap ng opposite foot. Twist your torso. Let's go.
Rewind. We rewind.
Try it with the hop guys para mas madami tayong ma-burn na calories. Pero kung hindi kaya, that's okay.
I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long.
Alright, next up, squat with side-to-side oblique raises. Squat and then iangat ang arms diagonally to the side habang nakapivot ang opposite foot. Squat ulit and then do the same sa other side. Let's go! Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Squat and twist. Squat and twist. That's it.
Less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way.
Last 10 seconds. Great job! Next up, super effective for flat belly ang half burpees. Pero kung medyo mahirap, gawin muna natin ang walkout. Kayang-kaya, di ba? Ready? Let's go! Down, one leg, other leg, and balik. One leg at a time, guys. Take your time and breathe. Kaya natin to, guys. Last 10 seconds. You did great! Kung kaya mo yon, malamang kaya mo rin ang mountain climbers knee to opposite elbow. Slow pacing muna tayo pero feel free to do it fast if you like. Let's go! One knee at a time guys. You may exhale sa pag-angat ng knee and inhale sa pagbalik. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Tuloy lang guys. Last 10 seconds. Push natin to guys.
Gotta get it right now. Yeah.
Very good! Last move na natin for this round, high plank hold. Or kung gusto mo ng more challenge, pwede mong itry ang plank knee taps. Kung anong mapili mong move, make sure to do it for 30 seconds. Let's go!
I hope I'll be your destination.
Kaya guys? Hold it or keep moving.
I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation.
Last 15 seconds guys.
I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be
Alright, we've completed one round. Ready ka na ba sa round 2? Same moves from the top but this time let's try to do the standard moves. Pero kung hindi pa rin kaya, feel free to do the modifications. Split jumps, let's go!
You're on my mind, on my mind, on my mind.
Work it guys, let's burn those belly fats.
My mind, out of my mind, out of my mind, yeah. For you, my love, you drive me crazy. Tell me what to do, what to do. I'm on my knees, yeah, I am begging you, begging you. I'll break the rules if it will get me to, yeah.
no passion in the
Nice one! Next, side-to-side squats or regular squats. Inhale sa squat, exhale paangat.
afloat, yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah.
Let's go! Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good!
Just thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words, no more, no.
Keep it going guys. Work it, burn those belly fats.
Now I thought I should let you know, yeah. Now, no words, no more, no.
Last 10 seconds. Push!
I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh no, no.
And rest. Reach up, crossover, toe touches. Try natin yung may talon guys kahit maliit na hop lang. Kaya yan.
I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose.
Ready? Let's go!
Down, down, baby, going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby, going down, 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 down. Yeah.
Push lang guys. Keep it going. Last 15 seconds.
This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more.
Nice one! Get ready for squat oblique raises to help burn not only belly fats but also trim down our waist. I-twist mabuti ang torso guys. Inhale down and exhale up. Ready? Let's go!
No words, no more, no, no. Yeah.
Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Squat, twist. Squat, and twist. Good!
Dreams fell asleep.
Last 15 seconds.
Passion in the comatose, baby going down, 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 baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat, we keep moving like the river goes, baby going down, 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 baby going.
Third to the last move na natin, half burpees. Kung mahirap, pwedeng munang gawin natin ulit yung walk out, one leg at a time. And you may do it ng mas mabagal or mas mabilis. Follow your own pace.
Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart beat sound. It's amazing
Kaya natin to guys. We're strong, we're fit, and we're sexy.
in life.
15 seconds.
Can't you see? I want you. I believe 'cause I want you. Here with me, I'm gonna go crazy. I'm gonna go crazy.
Alright, let's do mountain climbers knee to opposite elbow. This time, subukan naman natin ang mas mabilis. Pero kung hindi pa rin kaya, pwedeng mabagal ulit tulad ng kanina, one leg at a time. Ready? And go!
My mind, but I can see that you don't realize.
Walang susuko guys, kaya natin to, 30 seconds lang.
'Cause you got style, the way your body makes my heart.
Work it guys! Konti na lang guys.
You are the only thing I need in life. Oh, I want you. Can't you see? I want you.
Nice one! Last move to help burn belly fats ay plank knee tap. Start sa high plank position, then switch to down dog sabay tap sa opposite knee. And then balik, and then kabilang knee naman. Get? Tap, balik. Tap, balik. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, inhale. Focus guys, and breathe. Seconds na lang guys. Congrats guys! Tapos na ang ating flat belly workout routine. Good job guys! Don't forget na gawin itong flat belly workout together with this full body workout routine. And for sure, ma-enjoy nyo rin ang iba pang workouts natin dito sa playlist. Again, for the full workout schedule, i-check nyo ang aking Facebook page, YouTube community tab, and Instagram highlights. And subscribe and follow na rin. See you there guys!